Alrighty, well, today's going to be another no trade day yet again, it's looking like. If we look at the top gainers today, we've got a lot of penny stocks, TLIH, Chinese, well, Singapore, penny stock, too cheap for me. We got VIR, which has only been selling off since the initial pop in after hours. Not interested in that. PVLA, to be honest, this one never even really hit the scanner because it just kind of was flat all day. Early this morning had a little bit of a jump. I wasn't awake for that, and then it pretty much has either been selling off or flat since then. LRMR was on the scanners for a good portion of the morning, but again, pretty flat in general or just very, very choppy, so didn't trade that. Some of these other ones really never garnered any attention. The ones that I was looking at this morning was CDIO, which hit the scanner a couple times, but never was one of our top gainers. And average volume is lower, current volume is lower than the average volume. So not going to go for that. Relative volume is low. And then we had a couple others that popped up on really, really high floats. Even LRMR, which was going up for a while, had a really high float, 80 million shares. So it's kind of been a whole lot of nothing this morning, been a lot of pops and drops. Just in this last minute here, the one that popped up, MAIA, was a good example of that. Biotech stock with news. I mean, you could maybe argue it's not the strongest news ever, but better than nothing. Highlights phase 3 momentum and FDA fast track. And then here mentioned, phase 3 momentum demonstrates potential breakout. I mean, I don't know. Some of that's maybe clickbait, but the market is just not reacting positively at all. Low volume in general, not a lot of people giving attention to things like this. And it appears as though the ones who do are just selling like crazy. So with that being said, I'm gonna read the writing on the wall and just call it a no trade day and live to trade another day.